Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for cars on the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner and click on the cars at the top. You should wait a few seconds till it loads in. Scroll down and select the pickup point. So type it in. Select the pickup date and pickup time, then the drop-off date and drop-off time. Tap on the search button down below. And now the available cars are being loaded in. Here you can find them. Tap on the relevant one that you want to check out, and you are going to find the details about it, the car rental location. Here you can find rental policies, extras can be added to, and click on the reserve button if you would like to book it and rent the car. You will be able to add the driver information, select the method of payment, and you will be able to book the car. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.